Open the glove box. Remove the dampener cord from the glove box. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door by sliding the right tab in first. Then, press on the left side until the lock clicks into place. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Clip the dampener arm back onto the glove box. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.